So right now, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Gmail account without any phone number, okay? So if you cannot create a new Gmail account without any phone number, you can ask me, maybe I can help you to register a brand new Gmail account, but don't say that I'm trying to get your money because, hey, you cannot do it. I can help you to do it, all right? So now we're going to go into right here, and then we are going to switch account. And this is using YouTube, okay? We can use Google, we can use Gmails, we can use anything we want, but we can actually go on Google first, YouTube. And then we press add a new account. And then we're going to say use another account. So we're going to press that. And then you can see create an account. This is actually PC, okay, using Chrome. It doesn't matter what you use, it's still going to work. Now we're going to go to personal use. When we go to personal use, we are going to type anything, okay? I'm going to type in my name, who cares, okay? Right here, I would like to type in 2009. If you don't type 2009, it might not work, okay? It has to be 2009 or younger because Gmail thinks that you don't have a phone number. So that means you can actually use this account without any phone number, okay? So now we are going to go to gender, which is female, male, doesn't matter. And then we can press next. And now we're going to get a new Gmail account, anything you want. I would say Canucks, Leafs, NHL, let's just say, okay, whatever. And then press next. And then I would like to do a password, which I'm not going to show it to you. And then we're going to skip, okay? We don't want any recover emails. We're going to skip. And now, can you see this? I actually create a new Gmail account without any phone number. Now I press next. I'm going to go all the way down, press agree, and then very simple, easy. And now you can see I create a new Gmail account without any phone number. Now let's just say you have to subscribe my channel, right? So let's just say you're going to subscribe this channel. Okay, this is my channel, or let's just say okay, subscribe this channel, all right, or you can subscribe any channel you want, and yet you can use your brand new Gmail account, productions, okay. Press subscribe. These are all my channel has been established for a long time. And then we are going to be Digital World Hong Kong. No. TED World Hong Kong. See how many Gmails I have? And now you can actually gain views by using your brand new Gmail account, okay, Google account. And that's it, all right? Please subscribe my channel and share this video and make sure that you try it out. If you cannot try it out, come and ask me and I will give you maybe another solution, see what's going to happen. But right now you can see everything is good to go. All right. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.